Imagine skipping traffic every morning, never stopping at a gas station again, and turning your daily commute into the best part of your day. That might sound impossible, but today's electric bikes are proving otherwise. In this video, we're counting down 15 incredible electric bikes that could actually replace your car in 2026. From powerful commuter machines and ultralight carbon fiber rides to high-performance adventure bikes with impressive range and smart technology, these e-bikes are changing the way people travel. Experts continue to rank modern commuter e-bikes among the most practical transportation options thanks to their growing range, comfort, and everyday usability. So, before you spend thousands on your next vehicle, stick around, because one of these electric bikes might be all you need for work, weekend adventures, and everything in between. Let's get started. Aventon Level 4. The Aventon Level 4 is the kind of e-bike that grabs your attention from the very first ride. It looks sleek, feels incredibly refined, and delivers the confidence you'd expect from a premium commuter. Starting at $1,999, it features a 750-watt rear hub motor with up to 1,440 watts boost mode, 80 Newton-meters of torque, and a 733 watt-hours removable battery that offers up to 75 miles of range. What really sets it apart are its smart features, including 4G GPS tracking, regenerative braking, remote locking, and motion alerts. Whether you're chasing performance or everyday comfort, the Level 4 proves that cutting-edge technology and exciting performance can come together in one outstanding package. Wallke Ravager R60C. The Wallke Ravager R60C isn't built to blend in. It was built to dominate every ride. With a starting price of around $2,049, this powerhouse packs a 60-volt 70-ampere-hour battery, a 4,000-watt peak motor, an incredible 150 Newton-meters of torque, and a top speed of 44 miles per hour. Its massive 20 by 5-inch fat tires and long travel suspension inspire confidence on pavement, gravel, and rugged trails alike. But the real headline is its astonishing up to 180-mile range, letting you ride farther than most e-bikes ever could. If you're after serious power, endurance, and head-turning performance, the Ravager R60C is an absolute beast worth every ride. Segway Xaber 300 edirt bike. The Segway Xaber 300 is built for riders who crave pure adrenaline every time they hit the trail. With a starting price of $5,299, this high-performance electric dirt bike delivers an impressive 21-kilowatt peak motor, rockets from 0 to 50 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds, and reaches a thrilling top speed of 60 miles per hour. Its 72-volt 44-ampere-hour battery, lightweight 187-pound frame, advanced smart cockpit with GPS, 4G connectivity, and customizable ride modes create an experience that feels both futuristic and race-ready. If you're looking for cutting-edge off-road performance, the Xaber 300 is one of the most exciting electric dirt bikes of 2026. Aventon Pace 5 REC. The Aventon Pace 5 REC proves that comfort and performance can go hand in hand. Priced at around $1,799, this sleek cruiser is powered by a 750-watt rear hub motor with up to 1,440 watts in boost mode, 80 Newton-meters of torque, and a 733 watt-hour removable battery that delivers up to 75 miles of range. Its relaxed upright riding position makes every journey feel effortless, while premium features like 4G GPS tracking, regenerative braking, cruise control, remote locking, and Apple Watch connectivity add a futuristic touch. If you want an e-bike that's smooth, smart, and incredibly fun to ride, the Pace 5 REC is a standout choice. Lectric XPress2. The Lectric XPress2 proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to enjoy a premium riding experience. Starting at just $1,399, this feature-packed e-bike is powered by a 750-watt rear hub motor with 1,310 watts peak output, reaches speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, and delivers up to 60 miles of range on a single charge. It also features an 80mm suspension fork, hydraulic disc brakes, an 8-speed Shimano drivetrain, and the option to switch between torque and cadence sensors for a customized ride. Smooth, powerful, and loaded with premium upgrades, the Xpress2 offers exceptional value and feels like a bike that should cost much more. Specialized Vado 3X. The Specialized Vado 3X is what happens when premium engineering meets everyday adventure. Starting at around $5,499, this full suspension e-bike is powered by an 810-watt specialized 3.1 motor, producing an impressive 105 Newton-meters of torque, while its massive 840 watt-hour battery delivers up to 150 kilometers, 93 miles of range. The 130mm front suspension, rear shock, integrated color display, Apple Find My, turbo system lock, and USB-C phone charging make every ride feel effortless and connected. Whether you're cruising through the city or exploring rough back roads, the Vado 3X delivers exceptional comfort, confidence, and performance that truly justifies its premium price tag. KOSMOS Hubless e-bike. The KOSMOS Hubless e-bike looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its eye-catching hubless wheel design instantly turns heads, but this bike offers much more than futuristic styling. Built with a 350-watt rear hub motor, an LG 36-volt 14 ampere-hour removable battery, and a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, it delivers up to 70 kilometers, 43 miles, of pedal assist range while keeping the ride smooth with a rear air suspension and 20-inch airless tires. Pricing varies by market, but it's expected to cost around $2,000. If you want an e-bike that blends innovation, comfort, and unmistakable design, the KOSMOS is guaranteed to stand out wherever you ride. CYBERVELO EK 9.2.0. The CYBERVELO EK 9.2.0 is built for riders who believe bigger is always better. From its aggressive design to its jaw-dropping performance, this e-bike is made to leave a lasting impression. Starting at around $1,499, it packs a massive 5,000-watt peak rear hub motor, reaches speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, and delivers an incredible up to 120 miles of range with its 52-volt 40 ampere-hour or optional 60-volt 50 ampere-hour battery. Add 26 by 4-inch fat tires, hydraulic disc brakes, and a 400-pound payload capacity, and you've got a machine that's ready for virtually any adventure. If power, range, and bold styling are at the top of your list, the EK 9.2.0 is hard to ignore. Urtopia Carbon Atom. The Urtopia Carbon Atom proves that lightweight design and serious performance can go hand in hand. Starting at $2,499, this premium e-bike features a 750-watt motor with 1,250-watt peak power, 90 Newton-meters of torque, and a large 802 watt-hour removable LG battery that delivers up to 95 miles of range. Its Terray carbon fiber frame keeps the weight low without sacrificing strength, while the 80mm suspension fork, hydraulic disc brakes, and torque sensor provide a smooth, confidence-inspiring ride. If you're looking for cutting-edge technology, wrapped in a sleek carbon package, the Carbon Atom is a truly standout e-bike. Also TMB Launch Edition. The Also TMB Launch Edition isn't just another electric bike, it's a bold glimpse into the future of personal mobility. Starting at $4,500, this premium ride introduces an innovative Dream Ride pedal-by-wire system, replacing the traditional chain for an incredibly smooth and responsive experience. It delivers up to 180 Newton-meters of wheel torque, a top-assisted speed of 28 miles per hour, and up to 100 miles of range on a single charge. Add a 5-inch touchscreen, regenerative braking, built-in security, and a modular design that adapts to your lifestyle, and you get one of the most advanced e-bikes ever created. If you love cutting-edge technology, the TMB Launch Edition is truly in a class of its own. Wired Viper. The Wired Viper is built for riders who refuse to settle for ordinary. From its aggressive styling to its incredible performance, everything about this e-bike is designed to make a statement. Starting at $3,699, it features a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, producing an astonishing 8,000 watts of peak power and 430 Newton-meters of combined torque, launching it to speeds of over 50 miles per hour. Its massive 72-volt dual battery system delivers up to 90 miles of range, while full suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, and customizable ride modes ensure total confidence on any terrain. If raw power, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling performance are what you're after, the Wired Viper is in a league of its own. Segway Myon. The Segway Myon is more than just an e-bike. It's a showcase of how smart technology can transform every ride. Starting at around $2,000, it combines a 500-watt motor with 1,500-watt peak power, 85 Newton-meters of torque, and a 722-watt-hour battery that delivers up to 80 miles of range. What truly sets it apart are its premium features, including electronic shifting, GPS tracking, Apple Find My, airlock keyless unlocking, optional rear-view radar, and automatic over-the-air software updates. With its sleek design, smooth power delivery, and intelligent safety features, the Myon feels like the next generation of commuter e-bikes brought to life. Velotric Tempo. The Velotric Tempo proves that simplicity can still feel premium. Starting at around $1,400, this stylish commuter e-bike combines a lightweight frame with a 750-watt rear hub motor, 65 Newton-meters of torque, and a 705.6 watt-hour removable battery that delivers up to 70 miles of range. Its torque sensor provides smooth, natural pedal assistance, while hydraulic disc brakes, a 100mm suspension fork, and an 8-speed Shimano drivetrain make every ride comfortable and confident. Whether you're cruising through the city or enjoying a weekend ride, the Tempo delivers an impressive blend of comfort, efficiency, and everyday performance that's easy to appreciate. Wired Raven. The Wired Raven may be compact, but don't let its size fool you. This e-bike is an absolute powerhouse. Starting at $2,799, it's equipped with a 72-volt 2,000-watt rear hub motor that delivers an incredible 5,000-watt peak power and 210 Newton-meters of torque, pushing speeds of over 45 miles per hour. Its dual battery system offers up to 90 miles of range, while full suspension, 20 by 4-inch fat tires, 4-piston hydraulic brakes, integrated turn signals, and a fully customizable torque sensor make every ride feel smooth and controlled. If you're looking for explosive performance wrapped in a compact, adventure-ready package, the Wired Raven is impossible to overlook. Segway Muxi. The Segway Muxi is proof that utility and style can go hand in hand. Starting at $1,700, this smart e-bike is powered by a 750-watt rear hub motor, producing 80 Newton-meters of torque, paired with a 716 watt-hour removable battery that delivers up to 80 miles of range. Built to handle everyday life, it boasts an impressive 418-pound payload capacity, regenerative braking, hill start assist, traction control, Apple Find My, airlock keyless unlocking, and hydraulic disc brakes. Whether you're carrying groceries, commuting, or exploring the city, the Muxi combines intelligent technology, everyday practicality, and premium performance in one remarkably versatile package.